everyone. We're here with some magic mail. Right, Maddie?
Yeah.
So what are we
Also
doing?
got a new hairstyle.
So what are we opening? What is it?
Magic Candle Company.
Magic Candle Company. So you guys know we are subscribers. We are Disney lovers.
Yeah.
And
we're going next month.
Hopefully. And
if we do, we'll make a lot of lives, don't worry.
Okay. But we subscribe to Magic Candle Company. It's a subscription. You don't have to do a subscription, but we like to do it once a month. Yeah. And it gives you a sense of Disney straight to your home. So when we can't be there, we feel like we're there, right? So you can either get smells from all the different resorts. They have their own signature smells. They could be a ride. It could be...
Well, what's a ride? 'Cause the ride smells are good.
Yeah, the ride smells are good. Disney is very immersive with their smells. So we're about to open January's smell. What was last month?
The...
Floridian Christmas.
Oh, yeah, I was about to say
and that was gingerbread for the month of December. So our house smells like the Grand Floridian. Yeah, Madison wanted to eat it. So, any guesses on what this is going to be?
I don't know.
For January?
Yeah, or whatever.
Daddy, any guesses for January?
January. I guess it's gonna be winter because it's still cold out.
Main Street.
Daddy's going to say Main Street.
I don't know.
What are you going to say?
All I'm thinking is something.
All right, let's see what it is. And in the subscription box, you get a room smell, a wax melt, a car freshener, and a candle. Okay, and it is Yacht Club Resort.
What is that?
Yacht Resort. We were just there. So this one is supposed to smell. Wait, before you spray. Supposed to smell like Disney's Yacht Club. And me and Bino just got back from November's trip, and we actually went to the Yacht Club, so I should be interested to see if this really smells like it.
It's funny.
So let's smell the candle.
I'm gonna say something beachy because Yacht Club think of beach. Is it beachy?
It does smell like it. I don't know what the smell is, but it smells like it.
Let me see.
That's a really nice smell. It's a very clean smell. I don't know what the notes are. I wish they gave a piece of paper inside to say what are like the smelling notes of what they do. Like I know like when we have Old Key West is our home resort because we're DVC members. So I know in the lobbies and the bathrooms, it smells like a citrusy mixed with like coconutty type of smell. So I wish they just added like what the notes are. Wait, hold on. We're gonna spray it. The room spray is very, very potent. So you really need only very little of the room spray. It's very...
I want to put it in our room. Our room smells bad.
It's a very clean scent. Oh, that smells nice.
Yeah.
It's very crisp, which is very suiting. No, come over here.
But our room smells bad.
No, it smells like kids.
Yeah, and that's disgusting.
Well, we have Mickey waffles.
No, it's not.
Maybe you should do your laundry. Maybe it won't. This is a very clean, I would compare it to like a clean linen smell, but not. It's got something else in it. What is this? Oh, wait, it says in the back. No, it doesn't. Oh, here it is. The scent features a watery green floral, fermenting the air with a bouquet of fresh jasmine. That's what it reminds me. It reminds me of Soarin' when you go through the jasmine, lily of the valley, and finishes with light dust of cedar trimmings. Yeah, that's what it smells like. But literally, we just got back from here, and this really is pretty accurate of what the lobby smells like.
This is banana, pear, raspberry. It's a fruity.
Really cool. All right. So,
Yeah.
I like this one. You like this one?
Yeah.
It's a very clean smell. But if you guys want to check it out, it's Magic Candle Company, and you guys can choose from any of the resort smells that you like, or even the rides. Like they have pirate water for Pirates of the Caribbean. They have the smell of the Haunted Mansion. They have, what else do they have? Like shops like the confectionery, like the bakery on Main Street. I'm a favor. This is one of my favorites so far. I like the smell a lot. I like jasmine. So, if you guys ever tried it, let us know. This was fun. I like this one.
Yeah, me too.
You want Mickey waffles. Madison wants me to put the Mickey waffle scent in her room right now. So, let's go do that so you can clean your room. No?
Maybe later.
You look tired. It looks like you stayed up too late at Grandma's.
Yeah, we were watching a movie.
What?
We were watching a movie. So yeah.
What movie were you watching?
Beauty and the Beast. Classic.
Classic.
But I prefer live action.
Yeah, that's Pop Pop's favorite Disney movie. You know that?
Yeah, I know. We all-
My dad's a big Beauty and the Beast fan.
Everyone except James voted on that.
I know.
James went to bed in the living room.
Because it's a princess movie. All right. So, what do you think? Yacht Club, 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up, what? 2 thumbs up. I give it a 2 thumbs up as well. All right. So, I can't wait to see what February is going to be.
Yeah, probably something lovey-dovey.
Something lovey-dovey. All right, guys. So,
February's love season.
wanted to-
February will be there live to smell things. So.
hopefully.
Yeah.
All right, guys. That was our Magic Candle Company opening. Got the Yacht Club Resort. Look, smell this. This really smells like we were just there. It literally smells like it.
Okay, bye.
Twist.
Just pull it. Right? That does smell like the lobby. That's pretty cool how they can just give you the smells. It's jasmines with notes of cedar
Lilies of the Valley.
and lilies of the valley. All right, guys. That was our magic mail. See you guys next time. Bye.